welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Liquid Ocelot. Guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a subreddit. So let's get started, my friends. First of all, you need to make sure that your account is 30 days old, and I think you need 50 karma. So that is out of the way. Let's start. Click create community. On the right hand side you can see this bar, create community. So now I'll choose a community called Liquid Ocelot, and I'll choose restricted because Liquid Ocelot is taken. So what I'm going to do is write Liquid Ocelot YTT. It's not taken, YTT. And I already have a subreddit called Liquid Ocelot YT, but I'll create another subreddit just for you guys. So I'll make it restricted, and the reason is because I want to post my stuff only in this subreddit. So I'll click create community. It says you create your first post, so I'll ignore this, and what I'm going to do is tell us about Liquid Ocelot YouTube channel. Try to go to my channel link and paste it over here, save it. This is my channel link, it's saved. And now what I'm going to do, my friends, is fix the appearance of this subreddit. So I'll go to moderator tools. Okay guys, so I'll go to moderator tools, and here they will say to go back from dark mode to normal mode. So I'll go to under moderator queue. I'll go to under other community appearance, and here I'll do the changes. So the name and the icon, the first one, so I selected a picture already, as you can see, 256 by 256 pixels. Now the banner is the biggest banner, the large banner is 4000 multiplied by 192 pixels, and one more thing, the background body. So it will only work, my friends, the background body, if you don't use the dark mode. So background body, what I did, I downloaded a picture directly from pexels.com and uploaded it without caring of the size. So my subreddit has been created, my friends. I'll just refresh the page to show you in dark mode. It's created, Liquid Ocelot YTT, and here it's in restricted mode. So I can simply post my YouTube videos over here, specifically for my YouTube channel, just all the YouTube videos over here. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell notification bar for future updates. Take care, my friends.